Had you not been married to this person or made another choice? Why? Because you made istikhara, you know that this was what was khair for you. Allah determined for you, because you ended up getting married. Allah didn't turn her from you, turn you from him. So you have no regrets in your life because you have always wanted the good with Allah. You've always asked Allah's guidance to stamp His approval on the ramifications of every decision that is important in your life to be made. You live unburdened. You live a life that is unburdened. And that's the greatest freedom that a believer has that other people don't have. And that's why when you say قَدَّرَ اللَّهُ وَمَا شَاءَ فَعَلْ, you're talking about al-istikhara. What was the word we said? قُدْرَتِك. The faithfulness, the power you have over my fate. Oh Allah, let your fate decide for me if I have it or not. I believe it's good. If it's not good, turn it away from me. Turn me away from it. But if you've attained it, it means that this was good even if you experience pain in it. Even if it is difficult for you. That pain is the goodness that Allah wanted you to have, because if you did something different, your pain would have been greater. And therefore you say, قَدَّرَ اللَّهُ وَمَا شَاءَ فَعَلْ. This is in the qadr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.